Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the first part of my YouTube video. So if you like the video, please do like and subscribe to the channel. So today I'm going to introduce you to the subject biology. Now let's get back to the very basic of life and start how science actually started. So see, when we hear about the term biology, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? It's the study of life. So bio means bias. It is derived from the word bias, and logy, it is derived from the word logos. So bio depicts the entire living things around the world, and logy deals with the significant study of the biological field. So let us get through the session quickly. Now see, before knowing about biology, we should know about science. Now, what is science? Now see, if we get into the realms of understanding, science means to know. The curiosity to know is science, because it deals with accumulated knowledge, whatever knowledge we have gathered through our experiences, through our observations, through our involvements, that leads the accumulated knowledge for knowing something. So science, as you all know, that the accumulated knowledge, we get it from experiments, we get it from facts, we get it from scientific temperament, and we develop a scientific attitude. So together we can say, yes, science rocks. So see, science basically helps us to know about the realities of life, to know about the observations through experiments, facts, and helps us in setting the real temperament and attitude that is required in this growing world. Now, if we come to the very basic branches of science, we have three sciences. You have the natural sciences, you have the social sciences, and you have the formal sciences. Now, let me come to the two other sciences. Now, see, social science mainly deals with the social realms of life, and formal science deals with the calculative realms of life, like mathematics, statistics. All these are included in formal science. But we are more focused in this particular session about the branch of natural science, which is biology. But before coming to that, we have two more branches, which is the physics and the chemistry. That is the branch of science that deals with the various laws of the universe, and chemistry, the understanding the structure of the molecules. And thirdly, we come to biology, which is the focus of today's session. So see, what does the word biology means? Millions of years ago it was observed that life started on the sea. So bios means life and logos means study. So it's the study of the realms of life, study of perception, study of feelings, study of senses. So all of it forms biology. It gives so much to know about the living systems. It gives so much to understand about the living realms of life. So listeners, always remember, biology is that science that helps us to get into the deep of the life, deep of the meaning of life, deep in the meaning of the biological systems, about the living systems, which is great importance, and it is of great interest. So it also helps us to know about the various senses that we have, that leads to perception. See, we all have perceptions, right? We can perceive things, we can sense things. The living things can sense, which makes us one of the great character of the world. Okay, and see, all these things were first observed, and it was stated by none other than Sir Aristotle, who is known as the father of biology. And we all know that cell starts, or cell marks the beginning of life. We have a very minute and small structures in our body, which is the cell. So that is where the life originates. It's beautiful when life originates, and then later we know about cell division and all other beautiful aspects of life. So here is about the cell, and so Aristotle, who is known as the father of biology. Now, if we come to the various levels of organization, we can say that life starts at cell. From cell, tissues are formed. So a group of cells combines to form a tissue. A group of tissue forms organ. A group of organ forms organ system. A group of organ system forms organism, population, community, and in this way, the entire hierarchy of the living structure goes on. So it's beautiful how a small cell give give rise to such a huge population, and it's incredible if you think that how beautiful it is, if you think why, how all these answers are given by the branch of biology. And you all know that we the living organisms has wonderful characters. We can grow, we can move, we can respire, we can eat foods, we can excrete, we can reproduce, and there are many things which we can do. So you can see there are the basic things that are just mentioned here. So this is what helps us is developing as an organism. With this, I end my first session. Hope you all have like the session. If you have liked, please do like the video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Till then, have a good day, stay safe, stay at home. Meet you in the next session.